All right, here we go. Unstructured rant number 3. Today, I want to share an idea on a pretty cool automation project we're working on within our own agency. We just took a big step forward with the vision on that, and I wanted to share it with you. So, if you are an AI automation agency and you haven't already automated 90% of what you're working on internally, you're going to want to pay attention to this. So, where we first started out in, well, I'll take you for the very beginning. So a sales lead comes in, we hop onto a Zoom call. One of the first things we do is transcription to action. So we get the transcription from the Zoom call, and we have a agentic process through N8N that picks that up and summarizes the email and puts it in draft mode for the follow-up with a client, can summarize all the tasks and put them into Asana, and can also put the summary into Slack channels and notify all the right people. That was one of the first sort of automations that we did. Then we were on the call, and I'm doing a lot of these discovery meetings myself with clients. And the discovery meetings, we're asking tons of questions about where they're at with AI and what they're doing and what we can help them automate and where they're spending the most time, trying to find those high ROI automation opportunities or quick wins within their business. And this was something that I'm trying to get out of working in the company and work on the company. So we're turning that into a system and a process we can pass over to our account manager so I can get back into working on the business. And so we started developing this sort of process for discovery. And so we built out discovery slide decks. We started training up our account managers. And then we're like, well, let's build out a little custom GPT that will help them with the discovery process. Because the account managers are technical in their experience, but they don't have the same 25 years of tech experience as I do. But if we can bake all of that knowledge into a dynamic discovery agent, then we can quickly bring them up to speed. And so version 1 of that agent, the way it would work, it was pretty basic. If you're not doing this, you'll think it's advanced, but just wait to see what's coming here. And so I would have the custom GPT on the side. It would be trained. It knew to act as a discovery agent and ask deep questions so that we could extract as much information as we need to out of our clients so that we could get them beautiful technical scopes and quotes and prioritize and figure out the return on investment, all that kind of stuff. And so we just copy the transcript from Zoom and paste it into the custom GPT and hit go. And it would surface 5 questions at a time and say, great, here's 5 more questions that you can ask. And then we would ask those questions. I would use whisper flow and just hold down the key and record the transcription. I would answer the 5 questions with a client, and then it would surface 5 more questions, surface 5 more questions. And I would often share that screen with the client so that they could see the dynamic discovery in action. And the pretty cool thing is, I think I'm pretty experienced now, 25 years working in tech, but AI was surfacing questions. I was like, oh, that's really good. I hadn't thought about that. So dynamic discovery was really important. And then we would get the agent at the end would output a highly detailed document. We'd send it over to the development team and they would work on their quotes. They would then take these quotes and put them into their custom GPT that would generate the estimates for them. And that was trained on the numbers and the math, and if they had all the information they need, it could generate a fairly decent quote. Now, the magic is when we're starting to now string that all together. So the next step, which we're working on right now, will be the call will agentically, after the discovery call, it will automatically create the Asana task to get additional information from our clients. As we get the information from the clients, it will package that up along with the transcription and notes from the discovery call, pass it along to the quotation agent and work on the quote, and then notify the developer or the strategist on Slack that the quotation is ready for review and approval. Okay, so let's call that version 2, and we're just about done. That'll be done in less than a couple weeks. But here's the next step, version 3 we thought of today is why are we even having the discovery call with the client? Normally we do because we want to build the relationship with the client. We're, a white glove service type agency. We want to build that relationship, but why not showcase what AI can really do? So the next thing we're going to work on is that we will have a client that will interview the opportunity first. And if the lead is high value, it will then pass it along to a human for that same sort of process where, me or an account manager is meeting with the client and asking all the questions. But if we see the lead is below a certain threshold in terms of value, why not let the AI agent do everything? So we're going to have a voice system, you can call a number or talk to a rep or an agent, or even just do it through text first, and then I guess within a year and a half, that'll be like real-time AI avatar back and forth streaming video. But how cool would that be? Is like we can have ads out on the internet, find out how much ROI there is in some sort of AI automation within your business, talk to our AI agent today, get a real-time quote. And so I'm thinking we'll be in less than 2 months, you'll be able to call a number on our website or just click a button and launch an agent and have a voice conversation back and forth. It'll ask you a whole bunch of questions. It'll do a better job than me, and it's available 24/7. It can do this for pretty much free. And by the end of that call, it'll ask you to, upload some supporting documents and examples and things that we need. And it will be like thinking. Here's your estimated quotes. Here's the 10 opportunities we've done discovery on. These are the top 3. Here's the estimated ROI for all of them. Would you like to proceed? Click here, enter your credit card, and let's get started with your first project. So I share that with you so you can see the evolution of our thinking. It starts with the basic stuffs like transcription to action, and then from that action, from one custom GPT to the next. And then we create sort of this workflow automation using tools like N8N or Make.com to start to automate all that. And then the finishing touch is like, hey, we can just step away and let the client go directly with this while we oversee the whole system. And this sort of automation is happening all throughout our agency in all parts of it. That's just part of the sales process for one division. So 30 AI automation projects underway right now in our little 30-person agency. And I couldn't be more excited for the future of AI. I hope you learned a little something from that. Leave your questions or comments down below. You guys have an amazing day. Hope you're having lots of fun with AI. Keep pushing forward. We'll talk soon. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you're ready to take your marketing to the next level, join us this November 12th for an exclusive live workshop, How to Amplify Your Marketing with AI. Learn how to leverage cutting-edge AI tools, save time, and get better results. Directly from Mike Schwartz and Robert Vanderswart, 2 global experts in AI-driven marketing. Spots are limited, so reserve your seat now. The link's in the description. See you at the workshop.